Hi, Mr. Azlan, the landlord here. It's Monday, 13th of December 2021, and the time is 3:20, 15-20 hours, and I'm at my foodscape, listening to the chorus of cicadas. You can hear a dove cooing in the background. The sun is there. To the west is still a bit high, it's only 3:20. I made a little bonfire of dried acacia manjum leaves to get rid of the mozzies. There's a butterfly here somewhere. It's nice and shady here because of the stand of acacia manjum, which I'm slowly getting rid of because here are my jackfruit and coconut, and they're 2 to 4 meters high, and I can slowly get rid of the acacia manjum, and the jackfruit and the coconut can provide shade.